So this the best TWS under 1000 rupees. This is Boat AIRDOPES 141 and it is best-selling TWS in Amazon with overall 138,484 global rating, 86% positive ratings from 100k plus customers. So why is this so popular? Let's find out. It has 8mm drivers. I was not expecting such clear output. The detail and clarity of the explanation blew me away. It has decent bass. The main part, it has touch controls and it's pretty responsive. Battery capacity of case is 600 mAh and 30 mAh of buds. They last up to 5.5 hours of continuous usage with up to 42 hours of battery, while the case, it has Type-C charging. Battery may last 7 to 10 days of moderate usage. Earbuds are well enough for gaming with 80 milliseconds of latency. You can hear footsteps clearly in time and has a decent mic quality. Only cons are these are plasticky and you feel it, considering the price. Overall, these are quite balanced earbuds.